Behold, this is the elevator at the White Marlin condominiums here in Motion City, Maryland. It used to be an old Otis Series 1, but it was modernized by Delaware with Dewhurst 4. Yeah, it was modernized. It used to be old Otis Series 1. 1. 2. 3. And you're at 4. Let's hit down to G. Oh, look at this lantern. Like the ones I've seen before, maybe. Not sure, maybe in New York, I bet. Now we do our cab view. Nice cab, and I like it. Use your certificate right there, emergency phone buttons there, and the capacity, 3,500 pounds. 1. Then you're at G. Yep. Looks like the ones here are Dewhurst, yeah. Now they're modeled with Dewhurst. I'm gonna have to capture the image. See? Let's watch it close. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.